Hi, warm greetings from Dr. Archana Prabhudesai. Friends, today we are going to discuss about an important aspect of business which is popularly known as functions of business. Business refers to different commercial activities relating to production and distribution of goods and services for economic gain, which is called as profit. Today we are going to discuss about an important element of business which is known as functions of business. For smooth conduct of business activities, there is a need to perform certain important functions. Here I am trying to focus upon 8 main functions of every business. So let's begin with the first function, which is called as production function, which is also named as manufacturing activity of business. Production creates form utility. It is basically related with conversion of raw materials into finished product. After production, in case of goods or commodities, as they are tangible in nature, we can see, touch, feel, and so on. Whereas, in case of services, as they are intangible, after production, we can feel or experience them. The next function of business is inventory management. Inventory is also called as stock. It includes management of inventory of finished goods, semi-finished goods, raw materials, and parts as well as other things of inventory. As far as inventory management is concerned, every businessman should avoid two things, that is overstocking or over inventory and under inventory, as it is harmful for the working capital of the organization. The next function is marketing function. It is an important function which starts with the customer and ends with the customer. The success and survival of every business is dependent upon these 4 pillars which are called as marketing mix. Pillars include product, place, price, and promotion. Marketing is predominantly related with identification and satisfaction of wants and requirements of customers. Next function is finance function. Finance is considered as lifeblood of every business organization. Any type or size of business can go and grow with the help of finance. In our country, many banks and NBFCs are providing loans and advances to business organizations for fulfilling their objectives. Finance function includes different sub-functions, to mention a few: determining right sources of funds, determining application of funds, management of working capital, and management of fixed capital. Next function is human resource management. HR is a single factor in business and which is concerned with the success and survival of business. It is concerned with management of workforce in the organization. It is essential to note that this unique part or element of the organization has a power of bringing the dreams of business into reality. HRM includes varied sub-functions such as human resource planning, recruitment and selection, training and development, performance appraisal, promotions and transfer. Next function of business is popularly known as research and development. Change is a success mantra for today's business organizations. To survive and succeed in the complex situations, it is essential to bring some modifications and developments in products or services. R&D function emphasizes on introducing creativity and innovation in different business activities. Next function of business is public relation. In today's competitive business environment, there is a need to maintain good relations with various sections of society. Hence, many business firms maintain separate departments to fulfill this task. PR department conducts different activities like providing information, handling public complaints, maintaining good rapport, media interviews, and conducting and creating good corporate image of the business firm. The last function of every business is CSR, which is known as corporate social responsibility. It is an integral function of every business. Both business and society are dependent upon each other. Hence, CSR is the continuing commitment by business firms to serve ethically and contribute towards the development of society. Nowadays, firms undertake varied activities to fulfill CSR obligations, such as providing donations, educational facilities, medical aid, development of public parks, gardens, and initiative towards green activities. In our next session, we are going to discuss about scope of business. Till then, thank you.